Hi, so yeah, we are with the youth of Saint Diego Church, Giri Sangolda, and we would like to know more about this star that they have created over here. Okay, how long did they take to actually make this star? Why did they make this star? What is their objective behind this? Okay, so they'll tell us. We have Brian Fernandez with us over here, and the rest of the youth. So the rest of the youth will introduce themselves as we speak about this star. Brian, आमकां सांग मातशें कितें तुमी हे पयले फावटी केला?
वय आमी हे पयले फावट केला
आनी
सो दॅट आमकां लोकांचो हे जाय सपोर्ट लायक हिंगा येवन फोटो बीन काडूंक जाय लोकांचे लोकांनी आपले सो दॅट इट लुक्स गूड फॉर देम सेल्फ मातशें कितें बरें गोंय हे वर्सा मातशें डिफरंट कितें केलां.
आनी हे फॅब्रिकेशन तुमी भायर दिला करपाक?
ना हे फॅब्रिकेशन एक्चुली आमी आमच्या भुरग्यां मदत केला. आमकां येवन हिंगा एक एरन म्हणून एक नाजे भुरग्यान हेल्प केला आनी हे आमचे वांगडी सगळे आसले भुरगे सो तेंच्यांनी हेल्प केला आनी आमची चेडवां आसली आमच्या मदें हेल्प करपाक.
आनी हे लायटिंग बी तुमी केला?
हे लायटिंग आमच्या सगळ्या भुरग्यांनी केला.
आनी हे डेकोरेशन दिसतात ते स्नोमॅन आनी
हे सगळे आमचे चेडवांनी.
Kezia, can you tell us more about this other photo booth and this snowman and certain decorations done over here?
We have used all cardboard boxes from the retail stores. We have recycled it.
Okay.
And the paintings also have been done by one of our youth members only.
Okay. Are you all getting good response for this star and this photo booth that you have done?
Yeah, a lot of good response we have seen. We have seen people adding it on our stories and all. So
yes.
Yeah, it's nice.
So and how long did it take you all to do all this stuff?
Almost 2 weeks.
Almost 2 weeks. So this you all were doing after coming from college work?
Yeah, we used to come here at 6:30 and stay up till 10:30.
Up till 10:30, yeah. How many days did you say it took you? 2 weeks?
2-3 weeks. Yeah.
2 to 3 weeks. Okay. And you all plan to do this every year now?
Yeah, sure, why not?
Yeah. And anything else anybody would like to add? Ani कितें सांगूं जाता? Joshua? कितले लायटिंग बी तुवें केलें?
आमच्या युथानूच केला सगळें. मेन आमचो लिडर ब्रायन आनी मिनिनोय आसलो गोटो बी करपाक. आनी
लायटिंगाची आयडिया बी कोणें तुमची ती सगळी?
आमचीच आयडिया सगळी आमचे मेंबर्स तेंची.
हां. तुमकां गोटो आनी हे करपाक कितलो टायम लागलो?
टायम लागलो म्हणजे एक 1 मंथ को 25 to 30 days.
तुमी
दोनूय करपाक
सांचे येवन कोत्ताले?
सांचे येवन कोत्ताले एक अरावंड 6 o'clock 3 येताले 3-3:30 आनी टील 1:30 2 o'clock पासून हिंगाच आसता.
1:30 2 o'clock
पासून
आसत आसतले. आनी तुमकां कोणें आदार दिला करपाक हे सगळें?
हय, एरन म्हणून एक चेडो आहा तो गिरीचोच आनी उरलेले सगळे ब्रायन, नेथन, रियानो, रोनाल्ड, एलिस्टर आनी मिनिनो एकलो सालिगांवचो तो सगळे ते.
आनी हो स्टार जो दिसता वयर आहा तोय तुमी केला?
हय, तो सगळे चेडवांनी
केला. सो कॅन यू टेल
आमी घातला.
Aisha, can you tell us more about the star? Like you all did the star. So
Yes.
how long did it take you all to do that?
I think 4 to 5 days.
4 to 5 days. Okay. And then you all had the framework done beforehand or you all did it?
No, we did.
You all did it. Okay. And did you all have any problems like lifting it all the way up?
No.
No? Okay. Anything else anybody wants to add over here? Mercy, would you like to add something?
This time we tried doing something new also for kids also, especially this time we tried something new for kids. We did the photo booth of Santa painting by our youth, so everybody can click a picture with this, and even for the adults if they want to. We tried something new because it's always people used to come, wish and go. This time we tried the photo booth so that they can stay, wait, wish and click pictures and have some good memories.
Good.
And all of the youth are 100% in this.
ब्रायन ये हो स्टार केन्ना पासून आसतलो आनी हो फोटो बूथ आहा तो
Oh, maybe before the feast of the three kings.
before the feast of people. Okay, so and when are these lights switched on?
Normally we switch it on at 6 o'clock.
6
So हांगा ऑन करता आनी एक 10-10:30 बीन म्हणल्यार ऑन करता.
So if anybody wants to come here and click their photos,
They can come around.
They can come around
6 o'clock.
6 o'clock till 10 o'clock I would say.
10:30.
10:30. Right, fine. Okay. So you can come over here and click your photograph over here. Yourself with your loved ones. Okay, photo booth. And remember to also tag St. Diego Church Youth. Okay. The hashtag will be given in the description box below. Okay, so you can click your photos over here under the star, and remember to tag St. Diego Church Youth. Okay, the hashtag will be given in the description box below. So you can click as many photos from this side and from the other side also if you want the background as the church. Okay. Okay, so here we are at the crib done by the parish youth. A small crib but a very beautiful crib. It has taken a lot of effort to do this crib, and they have told us that it has taken over a month to do this crib. They have kept aside their work and come here to do this crib. They've stayed many nights over here to do this beautiful crib for the parish. Let's hear from them what they have to say about this crib. Brian, म्हाका मातशें क्रिबाचें सांग. केन्ना स्टार्ट केल्लें तुमी हें क्रिब करपाक?
म्हाका दिसता आमी नोव्हेंबर 15 कितें तरी स्टार्ट केलां.
नोव्हेंबर 15 स्टार्ट केलां. आनी केन्ना येताले तुमी करपाक?
एक्चुअली आमी सगळे भुरगे आमचे कामाक वचपी, बट टायम काडून आमी हिंगा इवनिंग एक अरावंड 5:30-6 o'clock येताले.
आनी केन्ना पासून करताले काम?
11:30-12 in the night.
11:30-12 in the night.
कित्याक ताका खूब टायम लागतलो स्ट्रक्चर घालूंक, लावंक आमकां डिगिंगाक, आनी कित्याक खूब टायम गेलो.
हे सगळें तुमीच केला ओ तुमकां कोणें करून दिला?
एक्चुअली आमीच म्हणजे आमच्या भुरग्यां मदें सगळें आमच्याच भुरग्यांनी केलां. जावंक थोडे एक दोग जाण, एक आमचो फ्रेंड मिनिनो म्हणून सालिगांवचो, तो आमकां येतालो मातशें लायक पेंटींग वर्क कितें बारीक बारीक आमकां हेल्प केला तेणें. उरलेलें आमच्या बॉयजांनी केलां हें सगळ्या युथांनी.
आनी हे आतां तुमी केला ते कित्याचें केला हे सगळें? हो माउंटन जो आहा तो तुमकां वॉटरफॉल आहा तो मातशें सांगूं जाता?
एक्चुअली ताका आमी सॅक यूज केला, बट स्ट्रक्चर इज मेड ऑफ सिमेंट वीच वी आर मिक्स्ड, एंड तेजे मागीर प्लॅटफॉर्म पोंदा घालून तेजेर स्ट्रक्चर मोल्ड केला ते.
ओके. आनी हे थर्मोकॉलाचे कटींग जे आहात ते तुम्हीच केला व तुम्ही करून हाडला?
नाही आम्हीच केला.
तुम्हीच केला?
आम्हीच केला.
तुमकां बरें दीस लागले आसतले करपाक ते सगळें?
करपाक एक्चुली टायम खूब वयता, बट कोण करता ते तांकां खबर आसता कळ्ळें आनी कितें तें.
आनी हे आतां वॉटरफॉल जो आहा तो तुमचो, आनी पळोवंक जाता हांगासर नुस्तेंय घातला तुमी. हेका खूब त्रास पडले आसतलेत न्हू करपाक? मोटर बील घातला आसतलो तुमी फाटल्यान?
वय मोटर घातला ताका, पायप आहा आनी एक 3-4 कितें नुस्तीं सोडल्या आमी उदराक.
आनी गोठो जो केला तुमी बरो दिसता. हे स्टॅच्यू जे आहात ते आतां नवे हाडलात तुमी इगोजेचे आदले?
ते हाडले स्टॅच्यू आमचे.
हां. आनी ही तुमचे हे सगळे युथान हे सगळें केलां?
सगळें आमी युथान केलें.
आनी कितें सांगूंक सोदताय तूं युथाक? तुमी सगळे यूथ आसले करपाक तें काम?
सगळे यूथ नासले एक्चुली. कोण आपले टायम काडून येता ते एवरी इयर आपले कोण मनान मारता ते येता करपाक. आमी कोणाक फोर्स करूंक शकना यो म्हणून. कोण आपले इंट्रस्ट आसा ते येतात आनी करतात. तुका
दिसता आनी यूथ जॉईन जावन हे काम करीत जाल्यार आनी बरें जातलें?
आमकां जाय आनीक यूथ, सो दॅट आनीक यूथ जॉईन जाल्यार नेक्स्ट इयर वी कॅन डू समथींग मोर बिगर.
Mercy, can you add something to this, like about the crib that is done? What do you have expectations from youth and the people?
We need more youth also to help in this. There are few people who work hard, they try whatever the people and all are there. With them they tried many things. If more people come, then more bigger ideas, more things, more new ideas will also come.
आणि गोठो केन्ना पासून आसतलो आतां?
हो 8 तारीख पासून. एकदा फेस्ट जालें म्हणटून मागीर आमी काडटात.
हांगासर नेतन आहा तो आमकां आनी मातशें सांगतलो गोठ्याचें.
ते भुरग्याच करतात, बट आमी वस्तू मेवतात थिंगा लायक सोदून एक लाकडां बिकडां सगळें घेवन येतात आमी. सो मागीर आमी जॉयन करतात. सो ते शेप दिवपाक सगळें टेम्पररी. सो थिंगा बेस्ट डिगींग जाल्या उपरांत ते पुसतात आमी.
म्हणजे करपाचें कामूय आसा आनी मागीर मोडपाचें काम आसा. तेकाय तुमकांच येवन करचें पडटा, सगळें साफ सफाई करचें पडटा.
तितलेंच आसता भुरगे
काडपाक. ओके, बरें आहा. रोनाल्ड आसा? रोनाल्ड आमकां सांग पळय मातशें क्रिबाचेर आनी कितें आहा.
27 हो नोव्हेंबर स्टार्ट केल्लो. स्टार्टींग म्हटल्यार आमी चड नासले, एक 5 जाण जाय करपाक. मागीर स्लो केले चेडवांनी, मागीर चला तें करपाक स्टार्ट बीन करपाक. स्विमींग पुलाचो फोंडको काडपाकूय खूब टायम जालो आमकां, त्रास जाले. मागीर मेवता. मागीर आफ्टर गोठो हातूंतच बीन आमी केन्ना जेवणाक वयताले. मेन म्हणजे आमचो जशवा हे करपाक. हे जालें स्मुथली जालें.
म्हणजे ह्या दिसांनी तुमचें जेवण खावन सारकें जावंक ना?
हय, लेट जातालें.
सगळें जेवण खावन तुमी सोडून सगळे हांगासर इगोजेचें काम करूंक येताले गोठ्याचें. आनी तो कोणें तुमकां आनी कोणें आदार दिला कोण की तुमी इतलें काम करतात ते?
आदार मेवला.
कसो आदार मेळ्ळा तुमकां?
पळोवंक गेल्यार मिलीन आहलो, तो सालिगांवच्यान येतालो आमकां हेल्प करपाक. मागीर आमचो एरन तो गिरींतलो एकलो, तेणें आमकां खूब हेल्प केला. आनी केला खूब जाणां
आमकां देवान टॅलंट दिला ते आमी करताय.
Or you all want to send a message to the people watching this thing?
So that they can come and see, they can enjoy, have the memories, and next year we try to do something more bigger.
Okay.
Something good.
Thank you, Brian, and the rest of the youth for your time and for this lovely crib that we see over here. It has taken a lot of time, lot of effort. So the youth are praiseworthy over here to what they have done. It looks, as I said, very easy, but it has taken a lot of time and effort. You have to remember that they come leaving their work, they don't even have proper food and all, and they come and do this job all for the church. and so that you all can also see how creative the youth can be of our parish. So urge you all to support the youth of our parish, and also the youth who are looking at this, please join the youth and support them. So it is fun to work together. And that's it. One last question. Who will? One last question, Joshua. Did you enjoy working?
Yes, I enjoyed working and eating also.
What about you, Clappy?
Yeah, it had taken a lot of time. We had managed from college or something. It was very late. We used to stay like come at 6:30, wait till 10. Sometimes it used to go beyond also. But finally it was done. Like the response was good of people.
So, despite the hard work and all the efforts, you still feel that this was worth it?
No, because we have done the hard work, so I can't be worth it. It is worth it.
Yes. So, we can hope to see all of you all next year as well doing this work, right?
Yes.
So thank you once again for your time and for all your efforts. Thank you. These beautiful stars have been done by our catechism students with the help of their parents and also the catechists. So well done, all of y'all who have done this. It looks very beautiful. The church is also nicely lit up. So urge everybody to come and visit our church, St. Diego Church, Giri Sangolda. And please tag us in your Instagram posts, Facebook, or if you are making videos on YouTube as well. Thank you.